BMW M135 xDrive, 2025. The pioneer of driving pleasure in the premium compact segment is entering its fourth model generation. With a dynamic design presence, a completely revised drive portfolio and extensively improved chassis technology, the new BMW 1 Series has sharpened its profile as the sportiest vehicle in the competitive environment. Highly efficient engines with 48-volt mild hybrid technology and a production process designed to conserve resources and recycle materials optimize sustainability throughout the entire product life cycle. Its progressive character is also reflected in the redesigned interior, an extended range of automated driving and parking systems, the new BMW iDrive with Quick Select and innovative digital services based on BMW Operating System 9. The premiere of the new BMW 1 Series marks the start of a new chapter in the brand's 20-year success story in the compact segment. The new model generation will also be produced at the BMW Group plant in Leipzig. Its market launch is scheduled for October 2024. The most important sales region is the German domestic market. In addition to other European countries, Japan is one of the top 5 markets for the new BMW 1 Series. Exterior design, dynamic front end and hallmark BMW proportions. The sporty aura of the BMW 1 Series is underlined in the latest model generation by typical BMW proportions, a long bonnet, a passenger cell set well back, a dynamically flowing roofline and a powerful rear end. The dimensions of the 5-door model have changed only slightly compared to its predecessor. The exterior length of the new BMW 1 Series has increased by 42 mm to 4,361 mm, while the wheelbase is 2,670 mm. The vehicle width is 1,800 mm, while the height has increased by 25 mm to 1,459 mm. With a strikingly flat front end that sits significantly lower to the road than its predecessor, the new BMW 1 Series signals its sporty character more than ever. The wide, forward-leaning BMW radiator grille features an innovative structure of vertical and diagonal bars. The standard LED headlights feature striking vertical elements for the daytime running light and the turn indicators. Adaptive LED headlights with glare-free matrix high beam, cornering light function and blue accents are optionally available. The side view of the new BMW 1 Series is characterized by the dynamic wedge shape and the flat window graphics that taper towards the rear. The standard BMW individual high-gloss shadow line includes a graphic element with the number 1 in the Hofmeister kink counterswing on the C-pillar. A long roof spoiler and side air deflectors emphasize the stretched silhouette. Vertical reflectors and a black diffuser-style insert add to the powerful appearance of the rear apron. The striking, 2-part rear lights extend well into the side sections. The body paintwork of the new BMW 1 Series is available in 2 solid paintwork finishes and 7 metallic finishes. 4 BMW individual paint finishes and a wide range of BMW individual special paint finishes are also available. The new BMW 1 Series is the first model in the brand's range to be available with an optional contrasting roof paint finish. The high-gloss black finish adds to the sporty appearance of the car. BMW M Automobile with individual performance character. The optional M Sport package and the M Sport design optional equipment available at market launch in Europe make the new BMW 1 Series even more dynamic. Its M-specific design features include large air intakes on the front apron, pronounced side skirts and a 3-dimensional diffuser element in the rear apron. At the top of the model range is the BMW M135 xDrive with significantly enhanced performance characteristics. The BMW M model is powered by a 221 kW/300 HP 4-cylinder engine, features an adaptive M chassis with sport steering and intelligent all-wheel drive as standard and accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h 62 mph in 4.9 seconds. On the outside, the M radiator grille with horizontal bars, M exterior mirror caps and 4 exhaust tailpipes make it instantly recognizable as a top-of-the-range model. An M technology package with specific suspension components, stiffness, and lightweight measures, an M compound brake system and 19-inch forged light alloy wheels is available exclusively for the BMW M135 xDrive. An M Sport Package Pro and model-specific BMW M Performance parts are also available for all variants of the new BMW 1 Series. Sporty premium ambience, leather-free interior. The newly designed interior of the new BMW 1 Series, which is completely leather-free as standard, offers a modern premium ambience with sporty accents and generous space for up to 5 occupants. Newly designed seats offer a high level of comfort for long journeys. Sport seats in the Econair version with covers and upholstery made from recycled polyester and M Sport seats are optionally available. Perforated seat surfaces are also available in the Veganza version with leather-like properties. The Veganza/Alcantara equipment is part of the M Sport package and standard equipment in the BMW M135 xDrive. Heated seats and a wide range of electric adjustments, including memory on the driver's side, are available as options for all seat versions. Lumbar support can be added to the Sport seats and the M Sport seats. An optional massage function is also available for the Sport seats. A driver and front passenger interaction airbag is now fitted as standard to further enhance occupant protection. By folding down the rear seat backrests, the storage space under the tailgate can be increased from 380 liters to 1,200 liters, BMW 120, BMW 120d, 300 to 1,135 liters. High-quality surfaces and trim, the redesigned gear selector and the BMW curved display underline the progressive, premium ambience of the interior. The fully digital display system comprises a 10.25-inch information display and a 10.7-inch control display. The number of buttons and controls in the cockpit has been significantly reduced thanks to the consistent use of digital technology. The air conditioning in the new BMW 1 Series is also controlled digitally. As an alternative to the standard sport steering wheel, a similarly redesigned M leather steering wheel is also available. It is part of the M Sport package and has shift paddles for manual gear changes. New generation of engines, 7-speed Steptronic transmission with dual clutch as standard. Like the BMW M135 xDrive engine, all of the other engines available for the new BMW 1 Series are part of the latest generation of modular engines from the BMW Group. The 3-cylinder petrol engine of the new BMW 120 and the 4-cylinder diesel engine of the new BMW 120d are combined with 48-volt mild hybrid technology, which enhances both their efficiency and their spontaneous power delivery. All of the drive units transmit their power to a 7-speed Steptronic transmission with dual clutch as standard. With a maximum power output of 125 kW/170 HP, the drive system of the new BMW 120 accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h 62 mph in 7.8 seconds. The new BMW 120d generates a power output of 120 kW/163 HP and accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h 62 mph in 7.9 seconds. The BMW 118d, also powered by a 4-cylinder diesel engine, delivers 110 kW/150 HP and an acceleration of 8.3 seconds. Improved body rigidity and further development of the chassis. The agility, steering precision, and cornering dynamics of the new BMW 1 Series benefit from the increased rigidity of the body structure and the chassis connection. Advanced chassis technology includes optimized kinematics, highly preloaded anti-roll bar mounts and new shock absorber technology. The caster of the front wheels has been increased by 20%, ensuring particularly stable directional stability and optimized steering feedback. In addition to the directly controlled wheel slip limitation, the new BMW 1 Series also features an integrated braking system and 17-inch light alloy wheels, BMW M135 xDrive, 18-inch, as standard. The optional M Sport package includes the adaptive M chassis, which lowers the vehicle by up to 8 mm, sport steering and 18-inch light alloy wheels. Up to 19-inch light alloy wheels and an M Sport brake system are also available as optional equipment. State-of-the-art systems for automated driving and parking. The new BMW 1 Series offers a significantly extended range of automated driving and parking systems as standard or optional equipment. Standard features include the driving assistant with front collision warning, lane departure warning, exit warning, and traffic sign recognition, as well as the parking assistant with reversing assistant. Highlights of the optional range include steering and lane control assist, automatic speed limit assist and route guidance when using active cruise control with stop and go function. Parking Assistant Professional is also available for the new BMW 120 and the new BMW 120d, allowing parking and maneuvering to be controlled by smartphone. Expanded standard equipment, targeted individualization. In addition to the high-quality assistance systems, the significantly expanded range of standard equipment of the new BMW 1 Series also includes automatic air conditioning, alarm system, electrically folding exterior mirrors and the BMW Live Cockpit Plus, including the BMW Maps cloud-based navigation system. New optional equipment packages allow targeted individualization. The Innovation package includes BMW Live Cockpit Professional with BMW head-up display and augmented view on the control display, as well as Parking Assistant Plus. The Premium package includes the telephone option with wireless charging, comfort access, logo projection from the exterior mirrors, automatic dimming interior mirror and adaptive LED headlights. The range of optional equipment also includes 2-zone automatic air conditioning, a panoramic glass roof and a Harman Kardon sound system. The new BMW Operating System 9, BMW iDrive with Quick Select and BMW Digital Premium. The new BMW 1 Series features the latest version of BMW iDrive with Quick Select for intuitive and convenient operation of the vehicle's functions. The new home screen shows function icons vertically arranged on the same level. Quick Select allows direct access to functions without having to switch to a submenu. The new BMW iDrive is consistently designed for touch operation and voice control. It is based on the BMW Operating System 9, which also provides the basis for a highly individual selection of additional digital services. Remote software upgrades allow new and improved vehicle functions to be integrated into the vehicle over the air. With BMW Connected Drive upgrades, customers can also test selected functions free of charge for a period of 1 month and then book them for a specific period. The new BMW Digital Premium offer can also be booked for the new BMW 1 Series in the BMW Connected Drive store. BMW Digital Premium makes it possible to use country-specific apps, such as music and video streaming, news or gaming, in the vehicle as part of a subscription. The offer also includes data usage for all digital services and the apps contained in the BMW Connected Drive store. BMW Digital Premium also extends the functions of the BMW Maps navigation system and the selection of My Modes and the lighting for the welcome and goodbye animation. In selected countries, BMW Digital Premium also enables digital payment of parking fees and fuel bills from the vehicle. Smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay registered and Android Auto trademark is available as standard in the new BMW 1 Series. BMW ID and My BMW app offer a convenient way to personalize the user experience in the new BMW 1 Series. The BMW Digital Key Plus with ultra-wideband wireless technology for compatible smartphones with iOS or Android operating systems and the Apple Watch can also be optionally set up via the My BMW app.